From a very long time, Digi Yatra app not working, or at least most of the features that are provided in this Android and iPhone mobile application seem to be broken. Digi Yatra is a facial recognition app that aims to make air travel more convenient and hassle-free for passengers. It allows them to enter the airport with just a face scan without the need for multiple identity checks. However, the app has been facing several issues since its launch, such as glitches and errors in the authentication process, linking with DigiLocker, and matching DY credentials with boarding passes. Users are not receiving any OTP code from the Digi Yatra app while trying to log in to the app. The face recognition system is not working at the airport. To address these issues, app developers have recently rolled out an updated app version, claiming to fix the glitches and enhance the features. However, some users have reported that the app is still not working properly after the update.